Alright, so just a little bit of an update. Spent the last probably 3 minutes talking and realised that I didn't even press the record button. It happens, guys. So just a little bit of a look at it was a tool cart turned into a welding cart. I've got the 2x4 argon bottle bracket that I made. I basically didn't want to mess around making it out of steel and just wasting the steel that I've got when that's just as good. It's going to have M6 stainless bolts that are going to tap into the frame. And yeah, otherwise it's looking good. I mean, this thing was built probably 16 years ago. So when I was probably 15. And I also got the straps done, which is going to hold the bottle on. Definitely that sewing machine's on its way out, as you can see, but as long as the straps are good, I'm not too concerned. If I've got to run some chain and like a little carabiner, I will, but I really do like this look of the straps where you can undo them freely and take them off. Got a little bit updated, cleaned all the floor, or swept it really, got my lathe cleaned up, started just tidying up a little bit. I've washed the wheels and I'm probably going to just wipe them down, maybe put a little bit of grease or WD-40 on it. We'll get the wheels on, but we'll get the bottle on first, and then we can kind of figure out what we're going to do with the top. I've got some checker plate that people have probably seen that I got from my scrap fella, but I kind of don't want to use it. I don't know, it looks like it's too good to use. So, anyway.